Look at this pie, so crispy outside and so soft inside. Look how nicely soft and juicy it is. Quickly, let's make it. You can see the ingredients in front of me, which I'll use to make this crispy cheese pie. I'll make it with 1 kilogram of phyllo, so you can adjust measurements to yours. Additionally, I need 5 to 6 eggs, 500 grams of crumbled cheese, 250 grams of feta cheese. You can adjust the cheese amount yourself. 200 milliliters of oil, 200 milliliters of water, 200 milliliters of yogurt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt, and 10 grams of baking powder. You can always find the full ingredient list below the video. First, put eggs in a large bowl. I'll add 1 level tablespoon of salt, then lightly beat everything. I'll pour in 200 milliliters of yogurt. 150 milliliters of oil. Add 5 grams of baking powder and now mix everything again. Now I'll add the cheese. You can adjust the cheese amount or type, if you prefer just feta cheese. In my opinion, the best combination is 2 to 3 types, especially if you have that aged, salty, strong cheese. Makes the pie better. With store-bought fresh cheeses, it has a milder taste, so you need to add more salt and fat. For this amount, you can add more feta and the pie will be even better. This is the patient part, finding all cheese pieces. If I were smart, I'd mash the feta first, then add it. But I wasn't smart, so I complicated it for myself. Like all Balkan people, we love complications. Now for the second coating, I pour 200 milliliters of water. You can use mineral water too, and 50 milliliters of oil. Then add more baking powder and mix everything. That should do it. Take 1 phyllo sheet at a time. First spray with the water-oil mixture. You can add some salt to the water and oil. Now fold it in half like this. Then place the filling on this half. Then roll everything together. Place the roll in the baking tray we prepared earlier. My measurements are for 1 kilogram of phyllo. If that's too much, you can make half. Adjust to your needs. There are 5 of us adults here, since I have 2 hungry teenagers who could eat even me. So 1 kilogram of phyllo is just right for us. When finished, this is the amount I got. Here I rolled the leftover sheets. I had 2 unused sheets because I didn't have enough filling, so they won't be used. Here I have some remaining water and oil mixture. I'll add a bit more oil now, and some more water to brush the pies before baking. Meanwhile, I turned on the oven to preheat to 200 degrees. I'll let the brushed pies rest until the oven preheats. Just leave them for about 10 minutes. Be sure to brush the ends so they're not dry. Here it is, the pie is baked. Baking time was between 30-35 minutes. Listen. Wonderfully crispy. Still quite hot, but I'll show you. Crispy, yet very soft inside. It falls apart by itself. Beautiful. Enjoy.